What's good YouTube? I'm Mick from Mick Focus Photography and I'm here to teach you about automotive photography. Stay tuned. Thank you for joining me. Now, within these episodes, I'm going to teach you all about automotive photography, and we're going to start from the basics and work our way all the way up to the editing and all the fun things that come in between. Now, the first thing you want to do is buy a camera. There's plenty of cameras out there to choose from, but my advice is go with the one that you can afford. This way you can get out there and shoot, learn the basics, and when you're ready to upgrade, then you can do it. Don't be bamboozled by the specs and all that kind of stuff that goes with it. Just get out there and shoot. Have fun. Learn how to do it all before you start jumping in and buying a $3,500 camera and not know how to use it. It just doesn't make sense. My weapon of choice currently is the Canon 70D. I've had that for a few years now, and the reason I got that at the time, it was the only one that came with a flip out screen. Which I find handy in certain situations, especially with night shooting, which I will show you about more later. But it also fell within my budget at the time, which at the time wasn't the biggest, but hey, I did with what I could. Now, once you purchase your camera, if you're going to go out and do lots of shoots, first thing you want to get, spare batteries, memory cards. Get extra. You will always need these. They come in handy, trust me. You don't want to fall short on a shoot, not have enough space, or if your camera dies, you're stuck. You can't finish the shoot. Not a good look, especially if customers are paying for the shoot. Now, if you're going to look at night shooting, even long exposure shooting, what you want to do is buy a tripod. Again, don't worry about the massive specs, the carbon fiber this, the ultralight this, the blah blah blah. Go and find something within your budget just to get you started. You can always upgrade later. Just buy something, get out there and start shooting with it. You'll learn how quick that is an awesome tool, and it's one that I'm currently using right now, and I take it pretty much everywhere with me, except if I'm daytime street shooting, generally not, or if I go to daytime car meets, because I just don't need the extra weight to carry around. It gets heavy and I don't have enough arms to carry everything. Now down the track, once we start getting out and I'll show you about shooting, in the daytime, one massive thing you will need is a CPL, or a circular polarizer filter. Tongue tied. They come in handy, they cut out reflections. Think of them as sunglasses for your camera. That's the easiest way of describing it. But again, I'll show you more about that down the track. So for today, just remember CPL. You can also get a UV filter, but I always take a CPL when I shoot in the daylight. Now, there's a ton of other accessories that you can get to shoot with, like reflectors, grey cards, extra lenses, that just stands to reason, flashes, different various forms of lighting, remotes, but don't worry about all that stuff. Just for the basics, get in, get yourself a camera. Hey, even use your phone. Your phone is always with you. It is the easiest camera to get a hold of. Get out there, get shooting. Feel free to post comments down below. Just down below, I will post a list of all the items that I use. You can get them on Amazon, so check them out. I think that's a good first introduction post for the day. So, hit that subscribe button, wherever that is around here somewhere, maybe down there. Go out, shoot some cars, and keep an eye out for my next video. Peace.